Well, hi everyone, and welcome back to the Weekend Hedge. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Sumit. And before getting into the weekly trades, let's get a few things out of the way. Right, so first of all the trades that I take, the strategies that I talk about, are based on my book. You can see that here on the screen: Profitable Hedging and Trade Management Techniques in Forex Trading, available on Amazon. The strategies and techniques are really available for free to all my readers and followers. You can also look at the other YouTube videos that I've made in explaining each of these strategies with a lot of examples. Right, so these are my trades. This is the way how I trade. So it's by no means um, it doesn't mean that you need to follow each of these strategies. Um, Test them out in your demo account, pick the one that works for you, and yeah, go with that one. In my regular trades, I use the ranging strategy. So out of the four strategies that I've explained in my book, I use the ranging strategy. And yeah, that's what I will talk about in the weekly trades. So let's get straight into it. Right, so let's start with the weekly trades. So today is the 15th of June, 2025, and we'll talk about some of the trades that we are currently in and any new trades that we would be taking up um, in the new week. So I trade on the daily time frame. You can see the daily time frame that's opened here. You've got the trade wise net indicator here at the bottom, which I use for trading. And yeah, to start with, we have the AUD CHF chart open. You can see the pairs that trade here on the right side. And there are, of course, slide notes or chart notes that I make, which you can follow. Right, so starting with the Aussie Swiss franc, if you zoom out to the monthly chart, we can see that this pair has been having a bearish tendency. So it's been going down. So overall, you would be looking at taking trades in the downward direction. But because we take trades on the daily time frame, so we go back to the daily time frame. So where are we at the moment? We've got a few old trades that are open here on the sell side, and there are a couple of buy trades that are still open here on the 5th of March and the 14th of March. Now you can see that all of these old trades, or the trades that have not gone in our favor, put them at break even, including the recent one here on the 20th of May. This is also at break even now. So currently we are in a sell trade, a new sell trade taken on the 12th of June, and it is going in our direction. In fact, this trade I've not put a break even there yet, but let me do that. This is how I go about doing it. I'll just take a small profit of $1 to offset the fee. But yeah, so all of these you can see have now been put on break even, except for the recent most trade. So all good here. We are overall in profit. Aussie US dollar. We are in 3 open trades. The recent buy trade, of course, ended in profit, or we closed that in profit. These 2 open trades and then an older trade have all been put at break even. So yeah, we would be looking at closing those as the market ranges and we are waiting for a new sell trade to come in. The Swiss franc and the yen, this has a bullish tendency, as I've mentioned here. If I zoom out, go to the monthly chart, you can see that it's been going up. So overall, it has pretty bullish, pretty strong bullish bias. Going to the daily time frame, we've got one open trade, which is an older one that has been put at break even. So when the market comes down or it comes sufficiently close to this trade, we will close it. Or we would also look at a hedging strategy to try and close this trade slowly. Overall, we've made profit in the recent buy trade. All of these, in fact, these 5 trades that did not go in our favor have all been closed at break even, so no losses made there. There is this drawdown, as you can see here, and we will try and close that through hedging. But all good otherwise, and we're waiting for a sell to come in. The euro, Aussie dollar. So the price has been quite choppy over the past few weeks. It has been going up since the beginning of the year. But since you can see, let me just move this out of the way. So since April or so, it's been pretty much sideways. We've got a couple of old trades open which have been put at break even. There are 2 old buy trades which are at break even. And then there is the sell trade which is again at break even. And then there is this buy trade which we took recently. That was on the 11th of June, and that is currently in profit. So overall, we will be making money as the market ranges between these 2 levels and close out the end levels as the market gets close to it. The euro US dollar, again, a couple of open trades, 2 sell trades. The market has been strong in the direction of the euro. We did make we have been making profits in the buy direction. 3 trades, recent trades since April or so, which have been going well for us. In fact, since the beginning of the year, the buy direction has been good. There is one sell trade which we opened on the 28th of May, and that is currently open. And yeah, we will be waiting for a sell trade to come in and close that off with a profit if it goes in our direction. But this trade, which was taken, the recent sell trade, which was taken on the 28th of May, has been put at break even. GBP AUD. So there is one new trade for the new week for tomorrow. That is a buy trade, and we will be taking that trade. The recent sell trade, which was taken on the 9th of June, didn't go in our favor, so we put that at break even. It's an old sell trade, which was on the 17th of March, also at break even. And there's an open buy trade, which was an older one, and that is also at break even. So we've got one new trade for tomorrow. That's the GBP AUD, and we will be taking that. Overall, you can see that it's been bullish, moving in the upward direction, a bit of sideways movement since April. Moving to the pound CAD. As I've mentioned here in my notes, the price has been sideways since March or so. We do have a sell trade open, which we had taken on, let me see what the 30th of April is when we had taken that, and that is the trade that's open. We did make profit in the next buy trade and in the sell trade, but there is the one trade open at the moment. So we will be waiting for a buy signal to come through for GBP CAD. Right, so moving to the US dollar CAD, we closed the recent sell trade and profit. In fact, all of these sell trades have been profitable. There was one which we closed at break even, but the others have been profitable. Um, because the market has been moving downwards, that's why we've got a couple of buy trades that are open. I've already put them at break even. So as the market, when the market recovers, you would be looking at closing those trades at break even. You can see this tendency in most of the dollar pairs as the dollar has been weak overall for the past few weeks. GBP USD, again, the pound has been appreciating against the dollar, weak dollar. The recent buy trade was profitable. In fact, um, almost all of the recent buy trades have been profitable as the market has been going up. There's, of course, some sell trades that are currently open. A recent one, which we had taken, and which was on the 30th of May, and then there's an older one, which is on the 4th of April, and these are currently open. So we will be waiting for the next sell trade. The Euro GBP, overall moving, is a fair bit of sideways movement. It's been trying to go up since February or so, made a high, but then it is now trying to recover from the market coming down in the past couple of weeks or months. This pair has been pretty good for us. We have been making consistent profits and consecutive profits. The recent buy trade ended in a profit, and now we just need to wait till we get a new sell signal. Silver, well, this has been going up, right? The metals have been appreciating with a weaker dollar, and we are currently in a couple of sell trades, which didn't close off in our favor because the market has been going up. We are now waiting for a new sell trade to come through to try and get some profits there and probably hedge off or offset some of the drawdowns, a couple of drawdowns that we currently have. But these have been put at break even anyway, so if the market does come down, it will close the trades at break even. Aussie New Zealand, it's been the Aussie did start to depreciate against the New Zealand dollar from February or so, and it's probably continuing that downward slide. The 50-day moving average crossed the 200-day, so it has picked up a downward trend. Currently, no trades open, and we do have profits that we have been making both in the upward and downward direction, long and short trades. So overall, a good pair to trade. Now just waiting for a new buy trade to come in. Then two of these two pairs that I trade using the dollar cost averaging method, currently no trades open. We did make profit in the recent trades for the Russell, the US 2000. Now we have got a new sell, but that's something that we don't take as we trade both of these pairs. That's the Russell and gold in the upward direction only. So we will now wait for the new buy trade. Gold, we made profit in the recent short bull run that we had. In fact, it's been having a bull run forever, really. If I go to the monthly chart, you can see that it's just been going up, data since 2022. And I trade the gold against the yen as it has a very strong upward bias. So it's good for dollar cost averaging. So we will wait for the next buy trade after a dip or a pullback. The pullback will be a red bar in the TradeWise net indicator, TWA indicator, and then we get a buy and we take that. Right, so that kind of brings me to the end of today's video and the trades for um, the trades that we have open and for next week. So happy trading, everyone, and I will see you next week. Cheers. Bye.